In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve WhatsApp banned. This account can no longer use WhatsApp. So this is very common problem for everybody. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you everything. First, download WhatsApp official app like WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, anyone. So I download WhatsApp business, then click on this WA and hold it question mark. Then you need to refresh and refresh. Then app install unknown app. Just open this one. Then again that's going on storage. Then click on clear cache. Again go back. Then you need to must be permission, doing permission this all the things, call logs, camera, contact, location, microphone, and everything. Then just now open your WhatsApp. I request to click on this three dot menu. Again click on help. So now here are describe your problem. So I have already attached this one. So this paragraph I will attach in my video description. You can copy and paste here. Well, that's it. Then if you want to upload a screenshot like WhatsApp and you this one here, but this is not necessary, optional. So just click on next. Again just click on the last send email with WhatsApp support. Then again click on Gmail. Then you can see this is a paragraph. Okay, now it's completed. So you need to click on this send option. Then after sending this one, you need to wait few minutes or maybe an hour for WhatsApp admin or reviewing your WhatsApp. So it's everything okay or not mistake. They are return your account. Now just open your WhatsApp. Then here are type your phone number easily. Then I hope you are verifying your number and log with your account easily. So it's very easy. Wow, you can see currently I open this WhatsApp on my Android phone. It's very easy. So if you have any questions, please comment below. So if you have found this video helpful for you and you can solve a problem, please comment below. Then write, uh, yes, it's working. And if you are not doing your work perfectly, then click on not working. I don't mind. So thank you. See you again.